it's I don't think there are that many genre-wise daring shows out there right now. A nice continuation of the first season, but I just finished Squid Game, the second season. You always have to push, push reality, because fiction can never kind of be more dull than reality. And when reality becomes absurd, like I think it has become in recent weeks, when we are talking about the current situation with Greenland and Trump and Trump's demands, what are we to write? Because if I had pitched this as a new season of Borgen, I think most people would say, like 5 or 10 years ago, that I was completely out of my mind and lost my sense of reality.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Gonna do that tomorrow as well.
Yeah.
So
it was very strange all of a sudden to see Greenland appear in the headlines now with the United States, and obviously this very strange situation with the current leadership in the US demanding almost full control over Greenland. And if it was fiction, I mean, I would really, I would feel overtaken by reality and not really know what we were supposed to do. I would have to go to the whiteboard in the writer's room and really think of something intelligent to be the next scene in the plot. Where we want to sell basically to them. So I mean, and we like to do the middle of the road here in this. We try to do things that are a bit quirky, and I hope there is still a tension around what comes out of Scandinavia and of course particularly Denmark. Well, the thing is that we would have to go more extreme when we write political fiction today, because I mean, what was normal 5 years ago is not normal anymore. Because I mean, we are currently basically the whole. They rarely become more daring. Rarely. I'm always on the lookout for new stories in a political universe, and I don't believe that we have said the last word in the Borgen universe. So actually, in the last episode of the latest season, we actually push Birgitte Nyborg gently towards Brussels and a possible continuation of her political career there. So who knows if we manage to do a story there? It would be really interesting if we could, in a dramatic way, make the EU sexy, because I think a lot of people believe that the EU is something quite remote and difficult to grasp. So that would be a great ambition, I think, to make it very present, very alive, and very necessary.